My friends, thank you very much. It was a pleasure to review firsthand the work being done on the indigenous aircraft carrier, which is India's pride and a shining example of Atmanirbhar Bharat. The project was originally approved by the NDA government and has made significant progress in the recent past despite COVID. Commissioning of this indigenous aircraft carrier next year will be befitting tribute to the 75 years of India's independence. The combat capability, reach and versatility of the aircraft carrier will add formidable capabilities in the defense of our country and help secure India's interests in the maritime domain. Yesterday, I also reviewed Project Seabird at Karwar, which will be the largest naval base of the Indian Navy in future and will provide the facilities and infrastructure to support the Navy operations in the Indian Ocean region and beyond. The government is fully committed to a strong Navy, and these two projects are examples of our unwavering focus and our impetus to modernization. Harnessing India's indigenous industry and know-how is a key priority. 42 out of the 44 warships on order being built at Indian shipyards is a testimony to this. This indigenous aircraft carrier boasts of nearly 75% of indigenous content, from design to steel used in construction to key weapons and sensors. DAC has also recently accorded approval for RFP of Project 751 under the Strategic Partnership Model, which will give further fillip to indigenous development of niche manufacturing technologies. These measures will help enhance the Indian Navy's operational reach and prowess to protect India's maritime interests. The Indian Navy remains poised and combat ready to tackle any challenge, and Navy's proactive forward deployment during the Galwan standoff signaled our intent that we seek peace but are ready for any eventualities. The Navy has also made significant contributions in the fight against this COVID, bringing back Indian citizens from overseas during Operation Samudra Setu 1 and much needed liquid medical oxygen during Samudra Setu 2, despite dangers of COVID spread on board warships. SAR efforts by Navy during Cyclone Taukte showcased the spirit of daring and courage among our men and women in whites. Our efforts are in alignment with the Honorable Prime Minister's vision of Sagar, or security and growth for all in the region, and the wider goal of a free, open and inclusive Indo-Pacific to ensure peace and stability in the region. Thank you very much. बहुत गर्मी है।